Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Waukegan, Illinois, where on January 7th, 2020 at 3:28 p.m., a Waukegan police officer responded to the intersection of West Glen, Flora Ave and Jackson Street to a report of a traffic accident. Upon arrival, the officer noticed two damaged vehicles in traffic. The officer stepped out of his vehicle and approached the victim of the crash as his investigation begins.
Everybody okay? You okay? Okay. Hello, sir.
Hi. She says she okay. Everyone is okay.
Okay.
The red car.
Okay.
He came around this corner and just tagged her.
Just a little wide turn?
Yeah,
okay.
A wide turn.
Gotcha. Thank you,
didn't
sir.
have his insurance on him.
Okay.
But that's her information right there.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right.
So I got you got an ID on you, sir? Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Thank you, man. What happened?
So we're waiting on the red light.
Yeah. You stopped?
Yeah, they start waiting for
Uh-huh.
green, and the guy is in the
Her name?
in the
He just bam hit each other.
Yeah, he's
Okay, gotcha. Okay. And I got your insurance right here, right? This is your insurance. These are you two. Okay. Give me a phone number for you.
Well, tuyo, papá.
And can you also add mines?
Yeah, for me not too much English. So
That's okay. It's all right.
Oh, okay.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get I got, like I said, I got all your information. I got his information. I have to put that in the computer system real quick. I'm gonna have to probably call for a tow for this because it's probably not drivable. So why don't you guys call some people and come pick you up, okay? And any questions?
Yeah, va a venir la grúa.
See, va a venir pick up the tow thing, the truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna call a tow truck for you guys. So all right.
Go ahead.
Or if do you want to call your own tow truck? Is it maybe cheaper? Maybe I don't know. Do you know?
No, we don't.
Okay, well I'll take care of it then. Okay, so just all you guys gotta do is just call a relative or something like that, come pick you guys up. Okay. And I'm gonna do a report. I'll give you all the information when I'm done. So give me about 15 minutes.
All right.
All right.
So we wait here?
Yeah. Or you guys can stay in here and stay warm, and just make some phone calls. Okay. What happened today? Yeah. You don't know?
No.
¿Habla inglés? Okay. I got your licencia. What about your aseguranza?
Could be around 1511 North Woods, north of the sidewalk, pick up some video.
144 also.
I think I get already.
What's that?
I think I get already.
Okay.
You want to stop by here for FTO purposes?
I was just finishing up the phone, I don't even know what we got.
I'll call you first.
Good. No aseguranza? I got this.
Yeah, I got that.
I got that. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, momento, okay?
You okay?
Oh, telephone number. Momento, okay?
Because the officer conducting the crash investigation could smell a strong odor of alcohol coming from the suspect's breath, he called upon another officer to the scene to assist in expanding the incident into a DUI investigation.
Hey, what's that? Yeah, you want 55? Well, I mean, it's gonna be easy ones probably. No, it's 1050. No injuries. Okay. I'm gonna be doing all the rest of the stuff then. Jackson and Glen, Flora. Bye.
Assuming that car is the other one involved?
He came in now, we hit them, so.
Okay. Which one do you think is the red one?
The red one, yeah. So you can smell it over his Old Spice.
Okay.
So,
Old Spice, nice.
yeah. You want me to come with you or you good?
I mean, has they been okay? They haven't been too...
Good. He's learned speech, you know, stuff like that.
Yeah, but I'm saying he hasn't been aggressive. He hasn't
No,
been...
nothing like that.
Okay.
That's why I think it would be a good one, so.
What's his... Yeah, never mind, I'll ask.
We go on that side or this side?
Yeah. That's fine. Hello, how are you? My name's Officer. I'm with the Waukegan Police Department. Can you step out? We're going to step over here out of way of traffic.
Yes.
You all right?
Yeah, drink.
You had something to drink? A little bit to drink? Okay. All right, keep your hands out of your pocket for me. We're actually going to walk out of traffic and get over here so we don't get hit by another car, okay?
You using the car for support? Watch them.
Oh, yeah, you can see.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and stand here. There's fine right here. Okay. How much did you have to drink? You're okay?
Yeah,
All right.
drink a lot of it.
A lot? What's a lot?
Six beers.
6 beers? Like,
Brandies, whatever.
you had brandy too?
Yes.
Okay, so keep your hands in your pocket for me. I know it's a little cold.
Okay.
It's just kind of a safety issue for us, okay? So you had 6 beers and 6 brandies, or I mean, there was like 6 drinks total.
Let's put it 10, whatever.
Okay.
10.
Do you think that affected your driving ability and probably why you got into an accident?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
60 years.
60? You're 60? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes? Have you had any major surgeries?
No,
any
no.
major injuries or anything like that to your eyes? How about your head?
I'm okay.
You're okay? How about your legs, your knees, your back, your ankles? Everything's okay? All right. Do you have you work? I'm assuming you work, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you do for a job?
Lab anneal.
What?
Which is a lab anneal. Which lab before is what can I say?
Do you work in an office? Do you work outside?
Office.
In an office? Okay. All right. And you're not on disability or anything like that? Okay. All right. Perfect. Do me a favor. Can you put your feet together like this?
Yes.
All right. Oh.
Okay.
Sure. That's all right. I just don't want you to fall. That's all.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hurt. Okay. So just keep your feet together for me. Put your arms down at your side for me. Perfect. Just like that. Okay. Don't move from this position. I'd like you to stay in this. Okay. All right. Can you see this red light right here? Okay.
Yes.
What I want you to do, I want you to follow the red light with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay. I just want to make sure you do understand to move your eyes only, not to move your head. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
You all right? Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's try it again, okay?
So he's doing the field nystagmus test. He's looking for smooth movement with the eyes, jerking of the eyes. You got jerking in the eyes, you've been drinking. The faster you go this way, the faster they jerk. The earlier they jerk, the more hammered you are.
Okay.
Not move your head, just your eyes only, please, okay?
I see it.
I know, it's just something I have to do, okay?
It's okay.
All right. Watch behind you, Dave. Dave, watch behind you. Okay. All right.
I know.
That's okay. You know what 30 seconds is, right? Like a time period of 30 seconds? Okay. What I'd like you to do, put your feet together for me. Keep your hands at your side. And when I say start, what I want you to do, I want you to watch me first. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to say start or begin. All right? And you're going to tilt your head backwards.
Uh-oh.
You're going to close your eyes like I'm doing. And in your head, I want you to estimate a 30-second time period. When you think it's been 30 seconds, you're going to bring your head back down, open your eyes, and say done.
Give me again.
Okay, not a problem. So when I say start or begin, you're going to stand like this, like I had you stand, and all you're going to do is tilt your head back. You're going to close your eyes, and you're going to estimate 30 seconds. When you think 30 seconds of time have passed, you're going to put your head down, open your eyes, and say done. Okay. Do you understand first?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and start, please. Tilt your head backwards, close your eyes. All right.
Down.
That's all right. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Yeah. So, sir, I'm going to put you under arrest for DUI, okay? I'd run you through some other things, but I'm afraid that if I did, you're going to hurt yourself, okay? So.
I want to hurt nobody else.
Not a problem, sir. Anything I need to know about on you that's going to hurt me, like any needles, knives, anything that's going to poke or stick me or anything like that? Do you have anything on you that's going to do that?
No,
Do you have any knives, box cutters?
The worry, the car is going. Somebody wants to pull down.
Well, your car? We'll take care of your car. We're not going to just leave it there, okay? Don't worry about that, all right? All right.
And also, I want to know how much should I be in the station, police station?
Have you ever been arrested for DUI? Let me ask that.
First time.
Okay. So, you have a valid driver's license, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And did you have that with you? Did you give that to the officer? Do you remember if you gave him your license?
First time.
Okay, I'll ask him. If you have if you have your actual physical license, it's only a $100 bond, and you can get out today after we're done with all the processing. Okay. Well, obviously you have to have somebody come pick you up. Okay. So if you've got
Nobody else.
you don't have anybody, you have no friends.
My wife is going to pick me off.
Oh, you don't think she'll pick you up? Because she'll be mad.
I want that.
Is she at home at least?
I hope so.
Okay. So if she's at home, maybe we can drop you off at home. As
No,
long as somebody's
I
there.
want that. I want to be in the jail, whatever.
Oh, well, yeah, we can't hold you all night, unfortunately.
I
But
want to.
we're going to go over to that squad car right there, okay?
Wonderful. You got the key and the...
Oh, the keys.
We'll get the keys. Well, don't worry. We'll take care of the car. We'll make sure it's secure. Okay. Nobody's going to run off with it, okay?
My glasses is in the car.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, well. It's okay. I'm not so stupid. What? What did you... Okay.
Oh, careful. Yeah, but we're going to go around this way, okay?
Okay. Why not to put those things like
unfortunately we have to.
Yeah, you get somebody else, okay, but come on.
All right, go ahead and take a seat for me. All right, I'm gonna actually buckle you in, okay?
It's okay.
I just don't. You never know. We don't want to get hit by somebody else. All right.
I think my left is in the.
Okay, we'll grab that for you.
Following the arrest, the officer on scene searched the suspect's vehicle prior to towing. He found an open 16-ounce can of beer that was cold to the touch with beer still inside the can. The suspect, David, was brought to the Waukegan Police Station for further processing. After a 20-minute observation period, the suspect refused consent to a chemical breath alcohol test. In court, the defendant was charged with 3 traffic violations and driving under the influence of alcohol, or DUI. He was found guilty of improper traffic lane usage and ordered to pay $25, while the DUI charge was disposed as withhold judgment following 12 months of supervision. On December 9th, 2021, the defendant satisfied all requirements of his supervision and the disposition was changed to terminated satisfied. This means that the suspect was not convicted of the offense. For all the offenses, the defendant was ordered to pay $2,516. This amount has been paid in full. Along with supervision, David was sentenced to 100 hours of community service, maintaining employment, abiding order of protection, no possession of illegal drugs including cannabis, no driving, and attending DUI school.